This is a brand new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a rear-view camera, power-adjustable driver pedals, cooled seats, a Bose stereo system, XM satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a folding rear seat, cruise control, dual airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, an illuminated entry system, a security system, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.